Alright, I just got this from Temu. These little batteries. They go on these right here.
There you go. So there's a headline that hooks the audio.
Just like that. Put them in there.
So if you're going to go through
Screws into this. And then this comes apart. Well, yep, like that, and you can put that on your bobber, or on your line, or on your rod, whatever fits the best. Probably be a small rod. Probably ain't gonna work for me for that. But I'll probably just tape it to a floater or to the end of my pole at the river. Two of them came with 2 of them and 5 batteries for I think $1.80. So it's gonna save us in the long run of buying glow sticks. We only bought about $500 worth last summer.
It lights up pretty bright.
And I also got this for $8. A new underwater light.
Which we paid $50 for the one we got from Bass Pro.
It goes dead in 2 hours. And flashlight. Rechargeable. I got something else, but I don't have it open yet.
That's pretty cool. So far, everything we've got from Temu's been good quality.
You see the yellow one? Ooh, it's more like green.
Yeah. The underwater light will probably be green, won't it?
That's cool. I like these. But I gotta get a charger for these now. They're rechargeable too. It's kind of weird little
Can you
charger.
charge? Oh, they don't go in the flashlight or nothing.
No.
There you have it, guys. Paid like $1 or something for those lights.
Yep, it's cheap. Then
Alright.
you can think you can get a pack of these batteries, and a charger for $2 or $3 for a bunch of them. Probably what I'll do. Just want to make sure they work first.
Cool.
Thanks for watching.